Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to tell you the top 5 secrets about tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. Make sure to watch until the end for some really shocking revelations. Tutankhamun's tomb was discovered in the Valley of the Kings on November 4th, 1922, by British archaeologist Howard Carter. The discovery was made after a small excavation that lasted only 6 weeks. During these 6 weeks, Carter uncovered a series of ancient tombs, including those of 2 powerful queens, Iset and Tyre, as well as the lost tomb of the mysterious Smenkhare. But the most exciting discovery was yet to come. On November, Carter found something incredible. A stone staircase leading down into the ground was discovered. At the bottom of the stairs, he found a door sealed with a bandage. With the help of his team, he cleaned off the surface of the door and revealed an inscription reading, "The property of Tutankhamun belongs to eternity." With trembling hands, he pushed open the door and found it to be empty. His heart sank, thinking that looters had already ransacked the tomb. However, as he looked further, he saw a wall across the passageway with a small hole in it. After removing the stones, he realized that there was a secret doorway behind it. This must have been where the treasures of King Tutankhamun were hidden. He descended into the pit and found a magnificent golden sarcophagus. The young king's mummy lay inside, wrapped in a gold leaf and adorned with precious jewels. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb was one of the most important archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. It captivated the world's attention and revealed fascinating details about the life, death, and burial of the boy pharaoh. Now let's reveal the top 5 secrets about tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. At number 5, the dagger of Princess Diana. When the tomb was opened, it became evident that the burial chamber had not been disturbed for thousands of years. Everything was exactly as it had been left by the ancient Egyptians. Among the many treasures found in the tomb, there was a small dagger that had been placed near the entrance. The dagger had a strange inscription on its handle, which read, "The King's Treasure." At first glance, it looked like just another relic from the past. However, when researchers examined it closely, they realized that the dagger had a connection to Princess Diana. The inscription on the dagger contained the name of a blacksmith who had forged the blade during the 15th century BC. The discovery of this dagger raised many questions about how such an ancient artifact had ended up in the possession of the royal family and what secrets it might hold. Some believe that the dagger was simply a curious relic that had been passed down through generations of nobility, while others speculate that it may have been cursed. According to legend, anyone who touches the cursed blade will die within 7 days. Princess Diana was photographed holding the dagger on several occasions before her untimely death in 1997. Some believe that the curse of the dagger may have played a role in her tragic passing, although there is no evidence to support this claim. At number 4, the mysterious curse. Rumors of a curse surrounding Tutankhamun's tomb have persisted for decades. According to legend, anyone who disturbs the pharaoh's eternal rest will be cursed. After Carter discovered the tomb, several strange occurrences began to take place. Within a few months, several members of his team fell ill and died, leading some to believe that the curse was real. However, most experts agree that these deaths were likely due to natural causes or simply bad luck. Nevertheless, the mystery surrounding the curse continues to fascinate people today. Some believe that the curse is nothing more than an urban legend, while others claim to have experienced strange phenomena near the tomb. Number 3, the mummy's curse. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb also led to speculation about the mummy's curse. According to ancient Egyptian beliefs, a pharaoh's spirit could be transferred to their mummy, and disturbing the mummy could unleash the spirit into the world. This belief led to rumors that anyone who came into contact with the mummy would be doomed to an early grave. While there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of a mummy's curse, the deaths of several people involved in the discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb have fueled speculation about the curse. Some believe that the curse was real and that those who died were victims of the pharaoh's vengeful spirit. Others argue that the deaths were simply a coincidence and that the curse is nothing more than an urban legend. Number 2. The missing anklets. In recent years, new X-ray images of Tutankhamun's mummy have revealed some interesting details about the boy pharaoh's life and death. One of the most intriguing discoveries was the presence of 2 anklets on his feet. The anklets were made of gold and inlaid with precious stones, suggesting that the young pharaoh was particularly fond of jewelry. However, the discovery of the anklets also raised some questions. According to ancient Egyptian tradition, anklets were typically worn by women, so why would Tutankhamun have worn them? Some experts believe that the anklets may have been a symbol of the pharaoh's power and wealth, while others suggest that they may have been a gift from a foreign dignitary. The true meaning behind the anklets remains a mystery. Number 1. The unfinished tomb. One of the most interesting facts about tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun is that it was never finished. The burial chamber is much smaller than those of other pharaohs, and many of the decorations are incomplete. This suggests that the tomb was hurriedly completed so that the pharaoh's body could be placed inside. The reason for the rush is unknown, but it may have been because Tutankhamun died unexpectedly at the age of 19. His sudden death may have caught the royal court off guard, and they were forced to complete the tomb as quickly as possible. Alternatively, the tomb may have been deliberately left unfinished as a way of protecting it from looters. The ancient Egyptians believed that unfinished tombs were less likely to be targeted by thieves, so it may have been that the priests and artisans responsible for decorating the tomb intentionally left it incomplete. Whatever the reason, the fact that the tomb is unfinished adds to the mystery surrounding Tutankhamun's death and burial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all our videos. Thank you for watching.